What are the typical stages of a commercial building construction project? The construction of a commercial building typically goes through several stages from conception to completion. Here are the 5 typical stages of a commercial building construction project. Number 1. Pre-construction phase. The pre-construction phase involves extensive planning and preparation before any physical construction work begins. This stage includes activities such as project feasibility studies, site selection, obtaining necessary permits and approvals, architectural and engineering design, budgeting, and securing financing. The project team is assembled, including the owner, architect, contractor, and other relevant stakeholders. Number 2. Site preparation. Once the planning and design stage is completed, the site preparation phase begins. This stage involves clearing the construction site, grading the land, and preparing the foundation. It may also include excavation, soil testing, and utility connections. The site preparation phase sets the groundwork for the actual construction process. Number 3. Construction phase. The construction phase is where the building begins to take shape. It involves the physical construction of the commercial building according to the approved design plans. This stage includes activities such as erecting the structural framework, installing electrical, plumbing, and HVAC systems, constructing interior walls, and adding insulation. Construction progresses in a sequential manner, with different trades working in coordination. Regular inspections and quality control measures are implemented to ensure compliance with building codes and standards. Number 4. Interior finishing. After the major construction work is completed, the interior finishing stage commences. This phase involves installing interior fixtures, finishes, and equipment. It includes activities such as painting, flooring installation, cabinetry, lighting, and other decorative elements. During this stage, attention is given to detail, aesthetics, and functionality to create a finished interior space that meets the intended purpose of the commercial building. Number 5. Post-construction phase. The post-construction phase takes place after the completion of the interior finishing work. It includes final inspections, testing of systems and equipment, addressing any outstanding issues or deficiencies, and obtaining the necessary occupancy permits. This stage also involves landscaping, site cleanup, and the transition to the operational phase of the commercial building. It may include activities such as training staff, installing signage, and preparing for opening or occupancy. It's important to note that the duration of each stage may vary depending on the size and complexity of the project, as well as external factors such as weather conditions and unforeseen challenges. Effective project management and clear communication among all stakeholders are vital for a successful commercial building construction project.